When it comes to laser engraving machines, there's all types of accessories. The most common accessories revolve around air purifiers, water chillers for CO2, but probably the most common for all types are rotary. And when it comes to rotary attachments, there's two main types. There's this called a chuck. So the chuck has this little spider thing at the end of it, and it allows us to take a drinkware product and get it on there and rotate it correctly to be able to get our design cleanly onto the product. We also have something called a roller. So it's really the exact same setup, but rather than the chuck piece, we have the roller piece. And we just put the drinkware on it and it rolls it and puts it onto the product. So why are there two different types? When do we use each one? Well, when it comes to drinkware, there's all types. If you look at this water bottle, it is not tapered. It is the exact same diameter the whole way down. If you look at this leatherette product, you're gonna see that the diameter is larger here than it is down here. It tapers itself down. A lot of products actually, travel mugs, your Stanley has a big handle on it. That is not gonna be perfect on the roller or the chuck sometimes. You need to use the correct attachment to get the best results. So if you're gonna be doing drinkware, you need your rotary attachment to have both chuck and roller capabilities, as both have a time in place. The other thing that is very important, you need a measuring tape. Do realize as we rotate the product, it's rotating. That's why it's called a rotary. And we need to know the diameter. How wide is this? That way we're rotating it the correct amount to get the design on there cleanly. If it's larger or smaller than the machine thinks it is, it's gonna come out distorted. You know, rather than a circle, you're gonna get an oval. So when it comes to engraving drinkware, you're gonna have a rotary attachment. Roller, use this whenever your products are like this water bottle, they're not tapered, it's simple, light on, let it rotate. If you're gonna have a product like this that's tapered or you have a handle, use the chuck, get it on there, let it do its job. But no matter which method you're using, it's very important that you get the right diameter plugged in there into your engraving software. That way the rotary knows how quickly to rotate the product to get a nice, clean impression. If you have any questions on when to use a roller versus a chuck rotary attachment with your laser engraving machine, don't hesitate reaching out to printphase.com.